Well, it is a delight to be out at Bauman's Farm and Gardens, one of my favorite nurseries to come to. And Brian, you have some really fun, exciting things going on this weekend.
This is our 4th annual Greenhouse Gallery, where we bring over 20 local artists from around the Northwest, all undercover in our greenhouses for you to enjoy the flowers and all the great garden artwork.
It really is great because it is all undercover, so regardless of, you know, rain or shine, you can come out and just have a great time.
And we've got a great sampling of artists for you to take a look at some of a tease of what you can find this weekend out at Bauman Farms.
Well, I say we take a little walk over there and talk to them.
All right.
Well, now I'm here with Linda, Linda was actually at the art fair last year.
Yes, I was.
And you had wonderful suns, like our model here, Allie is showing us, this beautiful sun face. This year you've stepped it up a bit.
Right. Last year we made a lot of sunflowers. This year we're starting on recycled bikes from all the kids and grandkids.
Nice.
And we've made them into nice suns for in the yard, sunflowers.
And they're really beautiful, and you do all of the welding.
Right.
Everything is done by you.
Right. And it's been a lot of fun. I have a shop, build a fire, and go to work
and
in the winter.
And go to work.
Yeah.
And they are so affordable. It's insane what a good price they are. Now I'm here with Gina.
Hi.
And Gina, what do you have for us?
Well, this year the new offering is the fire pit. These are made out of all recycled steel, and you can have your choice of pattern put in there.
Nice.
The whole thing comes apart, so you can store it in the winter.
And there's such a trend right now, fire pits. Everybody wants one for their patio.
It's indoors, bringing the
outside. Yeah, it's true. And they're just
Yep.
lovely. And now we've got one more person we're going to sneak over here and talk with. Hello, how are you?
Hi there.
Now, Renee, you have started doing this pottery how long ago?
13 years ago.
And I have to say, it's the first thing I noticed when I saw it was how light it was.
Thank you. I strive for my pottery to be thin, and like regular pottery, about four times thicker. And what distinguishes my pottery from others is how thin I throw and the texture that I create on the outside.
Wow.
I'd like it to be organic and look and feel like the bark of a tree.
Yeah.
Listen.
It
Sounds like a bell.
It does. It's absolutely beautiful, and you have the lovely three-dimensional dragonfly in there.
And even with the character, you can put them in the dishwasher
Nice.
and the microwave.
Nice. Well, you know, this is just a small portion of what's available to see out here at the art show. So now I'm going to run over and chat with Brian a little bit, get you all the information on how to get here. So, Brian, there's a lot of pink stuff going on here. What's that about?
So a portion of all the sales from the art show goes to support a local breast wellness foundation,
Nice.
which is a wonderful cause and another great reason to come down and see us. And it's super easy to get here. Just take the Woodburn exit, go 2.5 miles east to 99E, 2.5 miles south to Howell Prairie Road, and we're right there.
Perfect. Well, if you are looking for something to do this weekend, I suggest coming on out to Bauman Farm and Gardens and seeing the beautiful art and plants and great food. Thanks so much, Brian.
Thank you, William.